Hey everybody, welcome back to Habitat Kitchen. I'm Andrew Beauchamp, and today we whipped up some awesome Chipotle peppers. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. We'd love to have you. Let's get right into this recipe. There's really not that much you need for Chipotle peppers. All you need are red jalapeno peppers. You can also use the green ones. The only difference between the red jalapenos and the green jalapenos is that the red ones are a little bit more sweeter and they also have more heat, where the green ones tend to not be as sweet and not as hot. You will get a slightly different flavor of Chipotle powder if you use the red versus the green, but most people can't even tell the difference, so go ahead and use what you have on hand. The first thing that you want to do with your peppers is make one cut down the side. If you have smaller peppers like me, if you have large peppers, you can go ahead and cut them fully in half. Then you're going to want to throw these into your smoker for about 3 to 4 hours. After they're done smoking, you're going to want to dehydrate your peppers. So I threw mine in a dehydrator for about 4 hours. Now that the Chipotle peppers have finished the dehydration process, let's take them out and see what they look like. Look at those! Picture perfect. Okay, I used hickory to smoke these bad boys, and man, they smell good. They smell so good. Ah, beautiful. Okay, now you would use these in the same way you would use Chipotle powder or Chipotle paste. Now, if you want to use them in their paste form, all you have to do is rehydrate some in a little bit of warm water till they get all soft, and take them out. Then you can give them a rough chop and put them in whatever you want to flavor them with. And the second way you can do is just by taking off the green stem. You can throw these into a coffee grinder or a blender and make Chipotle powder. Both ways work great. You can also do what I'm going to do and just store them in your cupboard whole for different uses. So if I want to make a paste, I can now make a paste, and if I want to grind some up for a powder, I can do that as well. I want to thank you guys for watching this recipe. I know we didn't have anything to taste today, but I have made some wonderful seasonings for the future and for future videos. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something out of this. I know I sure did, and that is how easy it is to make Chipotle peppers. Till next time, guys, stay hungry.